Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a fast and easy way to whiten your teeth at home. So it requires only 3 steps. The first is to make the actual tooth whitening substance, the second is to apply it to your teeth, and then the third is to go back and brush your teeth with the excess paste. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what to do. So in order to make your paste, you're only going to need 3 ingredients. So the first is oral grade hydrogen peroxide. So usually this is used to just gargle or rinse your teeth with. So we're going to use 2 capfuls of that. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which is a nice natural tooth whitener, and then 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. So we're just going to mix these 3 ingredients together. And I just wanted to mention also that hydrogen peroxide, of course, can kind of be hard on your teeth, so you probably don't want to do this more than once a month, which is about how often that I do it. So we're just going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. So like I said, we're going to do 2 caps of the hydrogen peroxide. We're going to use our 1 tablespoon coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of our toothpaste. And we're just going to go ahead and stir that up. So once you're done mixing your paste, it should look something like this. It should be a little bit bubbly, and also I forgot to mention that ideally when you're mixing this, it'll be a lot easier if you melt your coconut oil ahead of time, just because obviously coconut oil is usually hard at room temperature, so it's easier if you just microwave that, and then mixing it will make the consistency of the paste a lot more liquidy. So either one works, this is fine too, but that's just a suggestion. And moving on to our second step, in order to actually apply this to your teeth, we're going to pour some of this substance into either a mouth guard if you have one, and if you don't, then if you have some fitted trays from a dentist, that works too. And last resort, if you have nothing, you can make yourself a couple trays for your teeth from tin foil at home. So obviously this is last resort. But if you don't have anything, you just wanted to try this out for the first time, then you can just make yourself a little tray. Literally all you have to do is cut off a little piece of tin foil, fold it lengthwise, and then literally like fit it to your mouth. So when I made this one, I folded it up and then I actually put it inside my mouth, bent it and shaped it to my teeth. So if you do end up using the tin foil, you'll need to make one for your top set of teeth and your bottom set of teeth since they're different shapes. I'm going to demonstrate the top with the mouth guard and the bottom with the tin foil just so you guys can see, but usually when I do this once a month, I use this for the top and for the bottom, so I just do it separately, but ideally you can do them together at once. So I'm going to just pour some of this paste into the trays now, and once they are completely full, both the top and the bottom one, I'm just going to place them in my mouth, and I'm just going to let it sit there for about 5 minutes. So it's a little messy and you might drool a little bit on yourself, so you can just either sit in the bathroom during this time or you can do this also while you're in the shower. So once the 5 minutes are up, you'll spit the paste into the trash can instead of the sink, since there's coconut oil in there and that can clog drains when it hardens. So that leads us to our final step, which is just to brush your teeth with the leftover paste. Again, you're going to spit the extra bit out into the trash, then you're just going to rinse really well and you're done. So after those 3 steps, here are my teeth. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or if it's coming across as noticeable over video. Hopefully it is, but every time I do this, I usually immediately notice a difference right after I take out my mouth guard or your little teeth trays. And it's just especially helpful for me because I am a coffee, wine, and tea lover, and those all stain your teeth, unfortunately. So like I was saying, I do this about once a month, and if you are looking to kind of get rid of any yellow tint you might have in your teeth, then this is a pretty easy way to do it. And on a final note, I do keep my extra leftover paste in a little jar like this in the bathroom. So for any future time when I want to kind of clean them again, I'll just use that. Or if you want to kind of freshen up your teeth, you can always brush your teeth with a little bit of that paste. So that's helpful, and if you guys do try this out, you can let me know what you think and you can leave your comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys all next week.